Okay, let's try this again. All right. Oh, that was a huge, huge jump. Well, that's around my personal fastest, I think, for those two levels. That wasn't too bad overall. That was good. Really hate that part, but it is what it is. Okay, good enough. Definitely think I'm ahead. Oh, the train. Man, boy, is it annoying. Dude, would you? Dude, stop! There's the health. More health, always good. I'm telling you, the train's hard. Oh shit! Stop with the boots! Might not use those boots in the future. Jumping past these barrels is annoying. I should get in the habit of checking that way for some fucking roller skates. Okay, that's not too bad. I definitely think I'm ahead of schedule. I shouldn't have grabbed those time bonuses, but hey. Hey, get off. Yeah, that was pretty good. It's a short little level and it's easy, but I find it quite difficult to do well. I don't know if that was necessarily the best way to do that. Okay, I think I'm ahead of schedule. 9:10 is my current PB. But I want to see if I can do better before submitting a run. Oh, that sucked. That could have been so much better, but oh well. Those are rocket shoes back there. I definitely have to get in the habit of grabbing those. This will help things a little bit. Okay. That's a borderline restart right there. Come on, man, this is terrible. Where is it? That was fucking terrible. That's such an easy level to do. It's just, you make one small mistake though and you're way down in the canyon. Dude, that's annoying. It's one little bump. Let's go, 8:46. So I did my sub 9 minute. It's a good first submission. I'm happy with it for a first submission. I'm gonna be running both Roadrunner and Wile Coyote relatively often because it's literally super fun. It is, honest to God, just a whole ton of fun. Okay, there we go. I just set my alarm and I'm good to go. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with better PBs of both characters.